Hi students and good morning to all students. Today we are going to see about block number 14 EVS features of common birds. What features of the common birds? Okay. So students, I will show you some pictures. First I will explain you. Okay. So students, in every bird there are some other features. Yes. The body shape of the bird are some small, some big, and their color are also different. Yes, like green, blue, yellow. Some birds are colors are also different types. Some have long beak, some have small beak. Yes, and their body shapes are also some small and big. Their colors are also different in they are also different in colors also. Some birds can fly, some birds cannot fly. So these are the features of that bird. Okay. So I will show you the picture. Look. Okay. What is this? This is a parrot. What is this? This is a parrot. Okay. So see students, it has a red beak. Yes, it has a red beak. It is green in color. Yes, it is green in color. So students, all the birds have three special body parts. Yes, every bird have the three special body parts. These are beak, feathers and wings. What? Beak, feather and wings. Feather cover the body of the bird. What? The feather cover the body of the bird. Wings help it to fly. What does the wing do? It helps them to fly. And beak helps it to pick and eat its food. What does the beak do? It can pick the food to eat. Yes. So what it is? It is red in color. Its feather are also green. Yes. It claws, see. It can hold the thing very tightly and it can fly in the sky. Yes. Then next, see children. This is a duck. What it is? It is a duck. How is the beak of the duck? See, it is small. The claws are webbed claws. Yes. See it. It is white in color and it is a water animal. Yes, it is a water animal. Yes, water bird like duck have webbed beak. Yes, it has the webbed beak. Then student, what it is? This black bird, it has a hook beak. It is a long stroke beak. Sorry, it has a long stroke beak. Yes, you can see it catches the fish. Then it has a long leg. Yes, it has a big neck. Yes, you can see here. Then after this bird, this is small in size. Its beak is also small and it has a long tail. What it is? It has a long tail. Yes, friends. Then see here. In some birds, these body parts may look very different. In some birds, the body parts may look different. For example, penguin. Penguin looks very different. Yes, penguin looks very different. But it cannot fly. Yes, but it cannot fly. Penguin cannot fly using their wings. Yes, penguin cannot fly using their wings. Its legs are short and it cannot fly. Yes, friends. So now you understood what means. All birds are different in size, color, shape. Some birds have a long beak, some birds have a short beak, some birds' legs are long, some birds' legs are short, and some birds can fly, some birds cannot fly. Yes, in this lesson what we have saw means some birds have a beak. Why they have a beak? To catch the food. Yes. And the claws. With the help of that claws, it can hold the thing very tightly. Yes, like eagle. Eagle what do? It can hold the thing very tightly. Yes. After that, what hook beaks is it can hold the food very nicely and it can eat. Yes. After that, the feathers. What does the feathers do? The feathers protect the body to keep warm. Yes, friends. The feathers keep the bird's body to keep warm. Okay. So now in this lesson what we have seen? We have seen beak. Beak. Claws. There are different types of beaks of the birds, because beak helps the food to it can eat the food with the help of that beak. Some have stroke beaks, some have curved beaks. Yes, there are different types of beak. It helps the beak to depend on their food. It means how the beak is how the bird's beak is there, that type of food they can eat. Then claws. The claws are to hold. Yes. After that, wings. Yes. After that, wings. Feathers. Yes. Feathers keep their body warm. After that, tail. So this we have seen in this lesson. These are the words. Okay. Thank you.